If you find your Apple ID account restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your Apple ID, including your account details, any error messages you received, and the reason for the restriction if provided. Step 2. Visit Apple support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Sign in. Log into your Apple ID account if prompted. This may help in verifying your identity and accessing specific support options related to your account. Step 4. Contact Apple support. Use the available contact options to reach Apple support. You can choose to chat, call, or send an email. Clearly explain your situation and provide any gathered information to support your appeal. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, keep an eye on your email for any responses from Apple. Be prepared to provide additional information if requested, and follow any instructions they give to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on your Apple ID. Good luck, and hopefully your account will be restored soon.